So I'm pretty sure that so far you have tried tons of optimization tool for your Windows 10 and 11 to improve the performance, to improve the gaming. But still, if you are disappointed and you have not get the result, then trust me guys, the tool that I'm going to share today is really a very powerful tool, comes for absolutely free, new in the market, and gives you many different options that you would not be getting with any other optimization tool. The best part is it's very easy to use and operate. Now before starting, let me show you that right now I'm on my Windows 11, and if I bring up the task manager and show you the current performance, so you can see the process count is around 162, the thread count is around 2300, and the handle count is around 65,000. And why I'm showing you this? Because once we will be done with the optimization, I will show you the difference that it has made. Alright, now let's see how exactly you have to use it. So bring up any of your browser and you have to search for this tool paragon2x.net. I will also leave the link in the description. And once you come to their website, you will find two different options. On the left hand side, it says performance. On the right hand side, they have made a dedicated category for the Fortnite user. Now before downloading and running it guys, let me also tell you that this tool is being approved by the Microsoft as totally safe, and that is the reason when you will download it, you will install it, you will not be getting any notification even your security is being on. They will not flag this as malicious or any harmful program. Alright, so in order to download, from the left hand side, click on download here, below the performance, and the downloading will be started, and it's around 12.7 MB, so it won't take much time. So once it get downloaded, right click on the downloaded file, click run as admin, so that we should have all the permission. Click on yes, and then click on launch. And this will start scanning your system so that it can give you the proper optimization suggestion and the tweaks. So you need to wait until the scanning is being completed. Alright, so now you can see the final dashboard of the Performance V4, and it's a very neat and clean and very simple way to operate. And once I will show you, you will get to know that how easy it is and how effective it is to operate on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So on the very top, you get the system preparation, and in system preparation, the very first option that it recommend you that create a restore point so you can undo all the changes made with ease. So don't worry, you don't have to manually go and create a restore point. Simply click on start and it will start creating a restore point for you. Once created, it says successfully created the restore point. Next it says Windows safety check. Check your system for any corruption which can hurt the performance. Now you might also have the problem with the computer with the performance just because some of the files are being corrupted, your Windows files are being corrupted, or any kind of issues. So in order to fix them, what you can do, in front of Windows safety check, click on start. Now it will be running the disk corruption check, and it will take some time guys because it will be deeply scanning and repairing all the file on your Windows so that all the issues can be resolved. So you need to have some patience here. It may take about 5 to 7 minutes until it's all been done. And after completing the scan and the repair, you will be getting a message successfully verified the Windows. Next it says stability and the compatibility. Install C++ redistributables to avoid many common system errors. So if your computer doesn't have the C++, it will also give you some kind of recommendation and you have to apply them. So again, you will have to click on start, and this will be downloading the Visual C++. So again, you will have to wait. And again, once it will be installed, it says successfully installed C++ redistributables. Alright, so now we can move with the tweak section. So from the left hand side, click on tweaks. And in the tweak section, it gives you different options like custom power plan, frame rate optimization, latency reduction, process count, offload, GPU performance profile. Now keep in mind guys, these are not the basic optimization. Like custom power plan, it's not any kind of high performance or ultimate power plan. This is one of the most effective and the powerful power plan to get the better gaming and the better performance. So what you can do in the custom power plan, it says perfectly allocate power to essential PC component and computing needs. So just go ahead and enable this option. Once done, it says successfully completed applying custom power plan. Next, you have the frame rate optimization. Is specified tailored for the FPS, adjusting the performance values for all the game. So if you do any kind of gaming on your Windows 10 and 11, just notice the FPS that you're getting right now. As I'm very sure, after enabling this option, once again when you will check the FPS of your game, you will find the difference that your FPS has been boosted. So again, go ahead and enable this option. This will be applying all the changes. Once done, next we have the latency reduction. It says target slow computing, communication traffic between the peripherals and the system. So if you have any latency reduction problem with your mouse, keyboard, or with any other external devices, that of course you have to optimize. So again, go ahead and enable this option. Next, you have the process count offload, and it says reduced performance usage by off-ramping the useless services. So what it will do, according to the usage, it will get to know that what kind of services you are not using, and it will automatically disable it. So again, go ahead and just enable this option. And the last one that we have is the GPU performance profile, and it says tweak to improve your GPU's driver performance for both AMD and NVIDIA. So again, you can enable this option. Once done, now next we have the system cleanup. Again, it's not a basic cleanup, so keep that in mind. And on the very top, you will find ghost device sanitation, designed to improve extra unnecessary device from the device manager. Now what happened? On your device manager section, there are many kind of devices that even you don't use, due to which you are not getting the proper optimization. And this is the reason why I said that this tool contains many kind of feature utility optimization that other tool doesn't cover. Alright, so again you will have to click on start. And once it will be done, it says removed 8 devices. So which were basically not in use, nobody was using it, it was being idle, but now it has been successfully removed and it will not be affecting the performance. Next it says disk cleanup. Clean up leftover file from the download, install, uninstall, etc. So whenever you download anything on your computer, you install anything or you uninstall, there are many remaining files that remain on your computer, take your storage, take your space, and even affect the performance. So again, you will have to click on start, and this will first clean up the disk. So you will have to wait. It may take some time, and in the background, it will be doing other job as well, removing all kind of unwanted file, remaining file that has been left over. And then finally you have the transient files removal, and it says clear up the temporary file and ensure that no error occur. So again, you can click on start and it will let you know that what kind of files it's been deleting. Alright, so we have finally completed all the steps, and if I click on next step here, it says we hope you enjoyed your free tweak. Now let me show you the difference it has made, what kind of difference we get. So without restarting the computer only, if I bring up the task manager, so you can see the process count that was reaching around 160. It's now 138, 139. The thread count that was around 2200, it's around 1500. The handle count that was around 65, now it's been reduced to 57,000. A part of this, when you will enjoy the gaming, you will be enjoying the better FPS, the FPS will be boosted, and the latency problem that you had, it will also be resolved. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will love and enjoy this free tool. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe. For any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.